Many people ask me, what does brown diamond look like? Can they be in every shape, size, color, clarity? And yes, it can be. And I have a mixed parcel, a freshly cut manufacturing parcel of brown shade diamonds. If you see, there is of every size, shape, round shape of several shades, darker to lighter, several quality like VVS, VSSI mix. And once I select the best stones out of it, or the stones as per your design and requirement, I am able to offer you great quality and also great value, which none of your retail jeweler can offer you. That is my promise and guarantee. These diamonds are certainly of lesser amount compared to compared to white color, but how much less are they, that can be discussed on one-on-one basis. And what clarity it can get when sent to a report, it all depends on what shade of diamonds you buy. So if your design specifically requires a brown shade of diamonds, then these are the right quality to source. These are very popular in jewelry in United States and other parts of the world, where you buy a lower budget item like jewelry under $300, $400, $500. Most of the jewelry consumes this quality of diamonds. So get in touch with me and I will guide you how to buy these diamonds at wholesale price, set into jewelry, so that you save a lot of money and buy better quality. Thank you.